were arrested.
So every day in the news, media, we are seeing 60 members in Bangladesh, 100 members in Bangla, people is there, in the sheds is there. So Congress using the vote bank. Every day they are giving the ration card, voter ID for the vote, not for the safety of the Karnataka, not safety for the India. They want vote, not safety of India for the Congress people.
And yesterday, Chief Minister and DCM DK Shivakumar met Rahul Gandhi separately. The video is going to be so viral. So how do you look at that?
Yeah, it's 20 minutes, 20 second CM, 16 second DCM. That is their time. The value of these two top leaders, 20 second to 16 seconds. What happened to Karnataka Congress leaders? This is shame to Congress leaders in Karnataka.
Sir, DK Shivakumar tweeted that efforts will fail, but prayers will not fail. So, do you see it's out of frustration DK Shivakumar tweeted like this ongoing power politics within the Congress? How do you see this?
Because every DK Shivakumar schemes, Siddaramaiah is doing fail. He is becoming a failed student now. DK Shivakumar become the failed student. So every attempt he fail because Siddaramaiah doing all the tricks to fail DK Shivakumar. So I think Karnataka, the power sharing, last 2 years, there is no development in Karnataka. Only power sharing happening. DK Shivakumar will become CM. Siddaramaiah will resign. This is the words every media. But there is no development, there is no administration, law and order failure. Thank you.